Hey everyone, it is time for a back in stock Tara's must-have, and we have seasonal. What's a Tara's must-have? Well, it's an item or a collection that I have curated just for you that's pretty and practical and purposeful. And these 24-ounce soup mugs, soup bowls, are just that with the deep dish Lidit. Think about pastas, chilies, soups, and so much more. That Lidit can work as the base for underneath, so if you want to bring that right to the table, no worries. And it also works as the lid for on top. This is why we made it a do-over must-have, because we added seasonal. And as much as we love these, they're still our great stoneware. So it still goes in the oven up to 500 degrees. You can still put it in the fridge. It goes in the freezer, the microwave, the dishwasher when you want to clean it. So how about 24 ounces of mac and cheese? Oh, okay. Can we just talk comfort food alert? Whether you're doing a beautiful chili or you have that gorgeous mac and cheese, here's what we love. You can pull it right away from the sides, so it's naturally non-stick. So no butters, no oils, no extra added fats. This is the reason why we love temp-tations stoneware, because it does go in the oven up to 500 degrees, but you can also bake inside here. So you do something as simple as take your electric mixer, mix it right in here, bake it right in here. Oh, hello, woodland. Have you seen one of our latest and greatest patterns? We love our woodland. Super beautiful, that knot detail, helper handles here on the side. And look how stunning that Lidit is, that deep dish Lidit that of course you can use as a separate baking piece, as a lid, as a trivet. Oh, how about my Jimmy the Baker? Okay, yes, please. I'll put that right on there. So whether you're serving ice cream in it, whether you're doing soups and stews and all of that great comfort food, this is why it's a Tara's must-have, back in stock, seasonal, woodland. Where can you find it? Head over to temp-tations.com and check it out.